This video was a request by Shane Payton. This is about UTTP rants on Mr. Brian Elastic and gets grounded. Anyways, let's start the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to rant on Mr. Brian Elastic because he's the worst person in the world. Ha ha. Done. Now time to watch it. You know, this person might get terminated, but actually, I have something to tell you, Mr. Brian Elastic. She is the worst person in the world. He makes a lot of stupid stuff. He makes some stuff that is not even true at all. You know, she's been making a lot of stuff that was made out of Shane Payton. Well, what can I say? If you like this user, then you're grounded until this user gets terminated. Well, I hope this user gets terminated soon. So, Mr. Brian Elastic sucks. And so does UTTP. UTTP members is infinitely times better than this crap. End of rant. UTTP member, I can't believe you made a rant out of Mr. Brian Elastic. That's it. You're grounded until Adventure Time gets a reboot. Go to bed now. Wah. And I'm taking this computer. No. There, it's mine forever. I mean, it's mine right now. Go to bed now. Wah. And stop crying like a baby. Like you're a 4-year-old. I hate you, Comedy Payton. I wish you died of the coronavirus.